Yo, me don't tell them precisely it's Amaziyah The Great, and you know the journey continue, will never stop. I foreign me there, but look me in the bush. When I run long like vehicle and pretty place, no girl can't trick me up with them pretty face. For the green card, no girl can't sit down in a for me face. You're not gonna see me go the other way, you're not catch me in a Ricky play. Yo, watch one of them for know the journey continue, tell them precisely. We never stop. Great ways to get where while the sunshine will make maximum respect and big up to all of the garrison youth them, especially the one them who are, you know, keep it firm, keep it fully focused, mentally strong. You don't know, tell them already, you know, the journey continue. A whole heap of things you see are going on the internet. You get what I say? And them support the nonsensical things and them not support the ones them with intellect. But anyway, as me said, the journey continue. New Hampshire settings, you know, we always, it's a beautiful and amazing place. You get what I say? But pre this now, as me say, enough things are going on the internet. Enough people are running with the negative things. When you see them already, you know them already. I don't think I have to elaborate much on them. What I really want to talk about is, you don't know, what heap of great things are going on. And me as a Jamaican, multi-talented Jamaican, you know, we're there in a foreign and we still endorse with Jamaican authenticity, with Jamaican culture, with poetry, with films, with arts, with music. You get what I'm saying? But when we put out these content, when we go up on Instagram, seeing, and we tag some major publishing company, some major TV, radio, and all these things, in my mind, I'm wondering if it's someone else monitoring their social media platforms, why them not see what go on, and then them come back and them start govern it when all the stupidity takes place. Because me no know. Numerous amount of occasion of time, and we have a history of things we will put out. Great things, watch out. A time Ras production, Rasatiba. You know, them city works we are dealing with. From New York. Big up yourself, Rasatiba. And it's not something this for me win, it's something where the king decides, say, well, you deserve this Amaziyah because we see the great works we are put out, and we really respect and appreciate the product them we put out in our world so our youths them can see and, you know, feel empowered, inspired, motivated by. So, yeah, me get a award right there, so last year, that was 2023 in December. You get me? From a contribution of the works. And I still don't see, it's not even about just me. When people like that who are embracing what we are doing, I can't understand why is it that, you know, the Jamaican diaspora, the whole, I don't see much support right there, so I wonder what go on. You get what I'm saying? But I can come and I can say, yeah, I need support, but you don't know, when I say support, it's not no monetary thing. It's just the level of showing appreciation for our contribution, the level of, you know, communicating with us, the level of commenting. There are so many different aspects. You get me? Sometimes we send out encouraging words and it can inspire them and those, because me could remember when me there in Jamaica, in the garrison, and I was sitting at a certain place. And big up Courtney, Fraser, from Fraser's Content, Red Pan, because me can remember when his mother tell me, say, them time that them call me Ambrose, because from school days me have the name there. This is not a nice place to sit. And I could just listen to her and I say, okay, since my elders spoke, as a child or as a young man, because I did about maybe 17, I got 18. What I try to put across is I listened to her and I was obedient. I paid attention. When I get that from our youths, them no more. You get to me, I say, as we talk about support, I have to say maximum respect and thanks to Antonia Valier. You don't know, she's someone who's always there, supporting and promoting and doing great things. People do go check out Antonia Valier's poetry, her books, her performances. She's a phenomenal person from Jamaica. And she had a whole heap of great things, creatively. You get what I say? Yeah, I want to see people with talents doing positive things. Please, support them to the fullest, because at the end of the day, you know, encouragement make we decide, say yes, we're going to receive more. Discouragement make me as a creative still go harder. Some other feel like, say, because and I give me some down and depressing words, me I go stop, because the journey continue, we never stop. For some, life is like a game, so they play all day. For some, life is like a puzzle, they get lost along the way. As for me, my life is a journey. I could talk about that all day. I give thanks for life. I live to see another day. Tell them precisely, as me telling them before, you know, the journey continue and we never stop. Great way is the gateway while the sunshine will make hay. Big respect, as me say, to all creative individuals, yard and abroad. You don't know it's Amaziyah The Great representing to the fullest. Tell them precisely. Talking about kudos and hats off and big up. I want to say, maximum respect to I and I wife, Miss Laurie Kirkland, who she never stopped promoting the amazing and great things when me are going with on the journey. You heard me? I want to say, yeah, a big shout out to Poetic Poetry for making sure that, you don't know, we on a level which part we have to say congratulations and thanks. You get me? But pre this now, I would encourage all creatives just to be supportive. And the reason why I say that, you know, I find out that too much competition are going on. And if you're not in a certain crew or a certain connection, it's like, you know, a separation start, and we don't need that in a poetry. You get to me and say, because I'm one of them creative there where we just share people content and we know so that is it. But sometimes we sit back and we watch, because, you know, over the years after sharing so many different creatives, it's like, you know, some people don't want to share because it's like them fear. And you wonder why, because everything is there to share. But some of them don't dare to care. But anyway, I have no fear. What is for you can never be taken away. You get to me and say, The Jamaican Poet is a short movie I talk about on many different occasions. It's a short film that was created within 48 hours by yours truly, Amaziyah The Great, and the whole Great Amazement Multimedia team. Team Great. You get me? So, big respect to Mel Rainsberger for, you know, piloting that project. And it not stop right there, so. So do look out and check out The Jamaican Poet on the YouTube channel. The Jamaican Poet movie. The trailer is out. The full film is not out yet. Mama Elise Kelly, you always support the creatives all over the globe. So maximum respect and salute again to you. I'm picking them. Naya Johnny. With all our going, you always been there for daddy. And me have to say love, respect and honor to Uno. And we have some family member, them just see the thing and them not share the thing even when they hear the thing and know say It's a greatly thing, but it is what it is. People are just people. So we not hate nobody, we appreciate everybody. Cause whether it's good or bad energy, I'm motivated. And there's nothing being hated about. Nothing right there, so. But, you know, we not stop create. Give thanks and respect again to Nicola Williams from The Right Agency, who, you know, she did a phenomenal show the other day in Massachusetts, the Boston's Jerk Fest. Yes, yes. It was a great and amazing look, and of course I did my performance, and that's phenomenal. So yo, if you want to see what go on right there, so do go check it out on the YouTube just the same. You get what I say, so maximum love and respect. You know, as me said, the journey continue. We're up on the journey. Let the state big voices, always making the right choices. Thanks so much for promoting Amaziyah The Great. And everybody in Rhode Island who been supporting greatness, supporting all the creatives. Big respect to all the poets, you know, all talents. Not just in Jamaica, not just in Spanish Town where I'm from, not just in Rhode Island where I now reside, but all over the globe. Every state in America, every country in the world, the Caribbean, Africa. Yeah, as me said, the journey continue. Tell them precisely. We never stop. Great ways the gateway while the sunshine will make air. Yeah, so I mention a few creative names. It not mean so right there so it stop. It mean me just call them there because I want to call them name there. Big respect to everybody who do the great works, as me said. There's no animosity, there's no confusion, there's no complication whatsoever. The journey continue. And we have a whole heap of people to inspire. We have a whole heap of people to motivate. You get me? So, while we're there, though we are up on the battlefield, I just make you know, say, we'll never stop. The journey continue. So, before I close off, because I'm going to close off in the next 3 minutes, so I'm going to see if I can drop 2 poems real quick. I want my children to know me as one that is great. Education is essential, time mustn't waste. With the power of knowledge, there's no limit to what you can create. You'll encounter hurdles in life, even frightening earthquakes, but never stop. Aim higher and escalate. I also stumbled and fell on my journey. Yeah, I made mistakes. Still, I elevate and stay awake. Fueling my mind with positive energy, will I vibe and meditate. I pay close attention to nature and sounds birds make. People's business, man, I discuss and I mix up and I partake. My heart aches, I can't take. Liars and pretenders all fake. Hence why I separate myself from illusion. And confusion will never penetrate the core of my mind. I smile, I embrace greatness, fairness among all human race. And notice this face. Me no lip trace, I will never disgrace. Want people for position more than power in this case. But it's somewhat complicated when the world is in a sick state. Love, politics, and religion are folks in a trick state. Miseducation, misinformation, misunderstandings, mistakes are the reason for your failure. So rise and surprise them with a bliss face. Tell them precisely. I'm going to drop 2 more. The next one I'm going to drop real quick. It's called Sick. Listen to this. I am sick. It's no jokes. Pay attention closely. I'm sick and lonely with no one to hold me. Boldly she told me I was her one and only. I'm sick of her lies because she was in bed with Anthony. I'm sick of fake friends who never promote me. I'm sick of being talented and even my family doubts me. I'm sick of the shit radio stations play mostly. If it wasn't for social media and the internet, some of you people would never hear about me. I'm sick in a cold, dark world. Sick without my life now seems to sparkle. Sick of crying tears, no one to talk to. Johnny hears me grumbling in the bathroom and asks Daddy, who and you will argue. I'm just sick of being broke, son, and can't even do what I want to do. I'm sick of fake foods and fake medication. Sick of fake news, fake information. So I'm sick and confused, fake education. Amaziyah The Great views. Yo, my people, we're living among a sick generation. Look out and check my book out. It's on Amazon. Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland. Another multi-talented Jamaican. Tell them precisely. Great ways the gates where all the sunshine we make air. We have music and we have poetry on all digital streaming platforms that are going. So do check them out, Amaziyah The Great. Also, remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Greatness, tell them precisely, no fakeness. The journey continue. Will never stop. And as I say, nothing wrong for being entertained by looking at the negativity sometimes, because this is how, people operate. Everything will never be good. Everything will never be 100%. So I understand, but don't make it look like we don't want to let off for everything that's good and promoting everything that is bad. Because what will our future generation be? What will become of the people of tomorrow? It's like, you should have known this already. Children live what them learn. So if the youth them grow up to come learn, say, hey, fi act like an idiot is the way to go through or the way to make it. What gonna be the intellectual kids them for tomorrow? Who are gonna be the scientists and the doctors and the lawyers and the journalists? Who will it be if we don't promote slackness, immorality, nastiness is the way to go through? How will that work? So these are the questions I ask my friends. We have to change it from now, because if we not do it today, who will? I'm in a curious one say, yo, a long time I do these positive things and nothing I got me thing I reach it at work. Florida, August 3rd. Look out, Amaziyah will be there at the Palm Beach, Jamaica Independence. So tell your friends, roll out and come support greatness. Big respect to everybody who do greatness. Tell them precisely. As me telling you already, me telling you again. The journey continue. We never stop. Tell them precisely.